Okay, in the next one, we need to calculate the p-norm of a vector. So we will get a vector of integers and the power a power, and we need to calculate the p-norm. So let's define the function. It's going to be norm. Going to take v and p. V is going to be a list of integers, and p is going to be an integer, and it should return an integer. Okay, I'm going to import list. Okay, first what we need to do is we need to calculate the sum of all numbers in the vector, of all values in the vector, to the power of p. So first let's create a list comprehension. This is going to be x to the power of p for x in v. Okay, and now we need to calculate the sum of this one, and the sum now needs to be, we need to calculate the root, the p root of that sum. And to do that, we can use the inverse of the power operation. So we're going to do to the power of 1 over p. Okay, and just return it, and this should actually do it. Let's try and run it. So if I do python-i 27, okay, let's try a simple one with the root of 2, which we know the result. So if I do norm, and I will give 3 and 4, and to the power of 2, and it gives us 5. But the 5 is a float, and we want to return an integer, so I'm going to convert this one into an integer. Okay, let's run it again. Norm 3, 4, which is a list, and power of 2 should give us 5. That's it for this exercise.